Here I have Samsung Galaxy F14, and today I'm going to show you how to enter FastBoot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down a combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on and you can see Samsung logo appeared, you have to release power key and keep holding only volume up. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select, you have to select the second option, reboot to bootloader. And this text, enter in FastBoot mode, means that you're already in FastBoot mode, it won't change. It will be like this all the time. So if you want to quit this mode, just hold down power key for about 7 or 10 seconds, and after that your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.